Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today I'm going to be showing you guys a new line of accessories from Speck geared towards the iPhone 15 and 15 Pro, and that is their new click lock accessories and click lock cases right here. So we've got 3 cases from Speck. These are all for the 6.1 inch Pro model, but they will also be available for the Pro Max. And I'm guessing the iPhone 15s as well. So iPhone 15 and the 15 Pro and Pro Max. So right here we have a click lock case. I'm going to go ahead and take this case out of the box real quick because I want to show you guys some of the accessories and how they work. So the click lock cases work with their new line of click lock accessories, and you will see that these cases and accessories have a little pin on the back, or locking bolt I think is what they call it, right here. So when you put this on the case with the click lock, it goes down into that little pin and it keeps the accessory from being able to turn. So this one right here is called their standy grip, and it is a grip as well as a stand, so you can, hold it like that. I believe it does come out some way as well. Yep, so it does extend out like this as well, so you can put it on the back of your phone like that, and you can stand your phone up. So very, very nice. And then it's got that little piece right here so you can hold it around your finger like that, and it's got a little indent for your finger. So very, very nice right there. I'll get to pricing here in a second for all these things. This one is their wallet. Works in the same way. It's got that little pin right there so it keeps the wallet from rotating. You don't have to rely just on the alignment magnet from MagSafe. You actually have something that creates an indent in there, so it physically locks it rather than just having that magnet. So pretty cool. And then we have a car vent mount right here, again with the click lock technology. And then some of the other cases right here, we have the Presidio 2 Pro in this kind of white cream color, and then we have the Presidio Perfect Clear right here, which I'm a huge fan of their Perfect Clear cases because they stay clear, they don't yellow, they don't get all messed up. And then this one right here being the Presidio 2 Grip. It's Presidio 2 Grip right there. The cases range in prices from $39.95 to $49.95. I'm guessing that price range is going to be based on your iPhone size. The Pro Max probably being, the 2 Maxes probably being the more expensive ones. They do have some things that aren't shown here, like the Presidio Lux, the Candy Shell Grip, and the Gym Shell Grip, for the cases. The standy grip, this right here, is going to be $29.95. The wallet is $29.95, and then the car vent mount is $39.95. So once I get my iPhone, I do plan on getting a Pro Max right now. That may change. I may just get the regular Pro, and these cases are for the regular Pro. But if that changes, we'll be trying these out when I get my iPhone next week. But Speck did send these over, and I got them actually during the event, so I'm able to check them out immediately following the iPhone 15 event. So you guys get to see some cases for your new iPhone before you can even pre-order your new iPhone here on Techout. So make sure you guys subscribe. We'll be doing more case and accessory videos for the iPhone 15 Pro. And of course, I will be unboxing and reviewing the iPhone 15 Pro or Pro Max. Again, I'm not too sure which one we're going to be checking out yet, but it will be one of the two. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe. Have a great day.